SEO for absolute beginners. Start with these tools. Starting SEO can feel overwhelming, but using beginner-friendly tools like Semrush makes the journey manageable. If you're just getting into SEO, Semrush offers an all-in-one platform to handle everything from keyword research to content optimization. Its simple dashboard and guided setup make it easy to audit your site. Identify weak spots and start optimizing from day one. For beginners, the Keyword Magic tool is a game changer. It helps you find the right keywords to target based on volume. Difficulty and trends. Semrush's SEO Writing Assistant gives live suggestions to improve your content as you write, ensuring you're following best practices, even if you're new to the field. Plus, their educational resources and blog are filled with beginner-level guides to help you understand every feature, no matter what type of site you're running. Semrush gives you a solid foundation for SEO success. Want to start without spending a dime? Join Semrush for free using the link in the description.